ClickBank for beginners. How to make money on ClickBank for free. Let's find out. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol from Undisputed Market, and if you're watching this video, probably wondering and doing some research on YouTube on how to make money on ClickBank for free. So in this video, we're going to actually dive deep into this topic, and we're going to look and talk about the different methods that you can possibly go for in your affiliate marketing business. And so before we dive into any of these methods, first of all, what you need to understand is that in any business that you are going to get involved in, it doesn't really matter what kind of business. It can be an online business, affiliate business, it can be brick and mortar store, whatever it is, e-shop, whatever it is, you are going to spend one of these two things. Either you're going to use your money or you're going to spend your time. Right? Because otherwise, if you're not going to spend any of these, then you're not going to create anything, right? And so, as the video title says, and probably what you're looking for is how to literally, create and make money for free. So in this video, we're going to talk about basically the methods that are using the time, because obviously the money, if you invest money into your business, it just you're going to see results more quickly, right? It's going to be more faster for you to see the results, and it just helps you to create those results more easily. However, on the other hand, using the free methods are actually even more first of all profitable, and on the other hand, it's long-term wise better option. So let's just dive into this, and I just wanted you to understand that you are going to either use money or time in anything in your life, in any business that you're going to get into. So first of all, there are different methods you could possibly implement into your affiliate business when it comes to free methods. So first of all, there are different social medias that you can go for, and we're going to talk about them especially in this video. And we're going to first of all talk about Facebook, as it is the biggest social media there is possibly in the world. Then we're going to talk about YouTube, and then we're going to talk about Instagram and other social media. So first of all, Facebook. How can you make Facebook work for you and for your affiliate business? So the best tactic that you can possibly go for with Facebook is to actually get into Facebook groups of your category, of your niche, and get involved in those groups. Now, with free methods, it all comes down to quantity and persistence. You gotta be consistent with your actions. You gotta do every single day content, every single day post. You gotta be involved into it as much as you possibly can. Now, I'm not going to talk about the strategy or the ways how to promote ClickBank products, because otherwise we would be here for another half an hour or an hour. If you are interested in the strategies and how to actually promote affiliate products, I have several videos particularly for these topics. So just go ahead and browse through my YouTube channel, or otherwise, if you are even more interested, then just click the link in the description below. It's the first link, and you will get full access to my free 4-day video series where I talk about affiliate marketing and the strategies to implement into your business even in more depth. So go ahead and get the full access to it. So first of all, with the Facebook groups, it all comes down to the quantity and persistence. So that being said, your goal with Facebook is to get involved and join as many groups as you possibly can in your particular niche, in your category that you are going to promote your products in, that the products you are promoting are in. So basically, you're going to join these groups, and now obviously don't join 100 groups or 50 groups at one time, because otherwise Facebook is going to see that something suspicious is going on, and they will suspend you. So just slowly join these groups, let's say 10 or 20 at one time, then give it 1 hour, 2 hour break, and then basically get joined into other groups again. Now with Facebook groups, it all comes down to, you know, being a little bit of different than everybody else, because as you possibly have experience in Facebook groups, especially with affiliate marketing and making money online, there are tons of people who are just spamming their affiliate links even without any content. They just, you know, splash it over there. Somebody asks a question and you know, for general question, and then you will see, you know, comments, go ahead and check this super place to earn money, and so on. So, you know, don't go that way. Be different, give value to people, give advice, give, you know, how to, some knowledge, share content, share value, share knowledge with these people. And the best possible way to do this is by making videos. Now, I know most of you, or you know, might be a little bit of shy in front of camera, and it's not, you know, something you would like to do in front of a camera and just, you know, post it and share it, make it public. But I guarantee you that it is really the best way to do it, because if you think about it, many people are just like this. They are shy, they don't want to, you know, make it public, they don't want to you know, share its content like this. And most of us are, you know, usually just, you know, thinking about what are the other people going to think about us if you publish the video. And don't get me wrong, I was the same. I was totally petrified recording videos just like this and posting it anywhere. However, I found out that, you know, people just generally don't really care, you know. So those people who you think will make laugh about you or anything like this, you will never hear from them, you know. You will never hear from them, and you will only hear from people who are basically genuinely interested in whatever you're posting, whatever you're sharing, whatever you're going to do. So, you know, just don't be afraid to do it. If you are afraid of I don't know, maybe your friends that might possibly see those posts, then just check the members of the groups on Facebook, and if there are any of your friends that you don't really want to hear from them, then just go out of that group and post in other groups. There are tons of groups that you can possibly go for, and you know, your friends probably aren't really interested in these kind of things. So just don't worry about this. Go ahead, record those videos, and in the video is basically, you know, you record yourself in front of a camera. You can use your phone. Go ahead and go into the park, or you know, just from your house. I'm doing this video in my bedroom, so no worries, no hard feelings. And so record the video, share some value that really helps people. Don't ask for, you know, some sales or anything like this. Just share value. Leave a link, you know, to your page or whatever it is in the description of the video. And at the end of the video, the video's length should be, that doesn't need to be long. It can be, you know, 3, 4, even 5 minutes is perfectly fine. So just do something like a short video. And at the end of the video, like a last half a minute or a minute, talk about what you want to offer them. You know, like for example, you give some good tip on, let's say, how to lose weight. And at the end of the video, you share that, listen, if you are interested in where I got this information from, just go ahead and click the link below. There's the source where I get this information. And this is it. Now I found out that, you know, if you are going to do live videos, they're even more effective, because again, if you think about it, it is more difficult to record a live video than just a normal video, because that's basically you are going to do in one try, obviously. So again, just think about it. What is the best way, or you know, the way most people are afraid of doing or they don't want to do, and that's the best way how you will be different on Facebook. So this is Facebook, guys, how to do on Facebook. I hope you got this idea how to literally make money on Facebook. And don't get me wrong, it's gonna take some time maybe, because in this Facebook group there are many posts done every couple minutes. However, if you do it persistently and consistently, people will find out about you and they will get to know you and they will start clicking and getting to your content. So this is for Facebook. Now, the second best option is, and probably my personal favorite, is YouTube. Now with YouTube, you gotta, it's again about persistency, about consistency. You gotta record videos again every single day, just like with Facebook. Record video every day. It takes time to build out your channel. It takes time to, get those views, get those, get the engagement into the videos and get people and get views especially. And with YouTube, it's a little bit of a play with the keywords, because you gotta rank those videos, because if you are just going to record a video for a random topic, then nobody is going to find your video, because it's a little bit of huge competition, and you're not going to get your video found with customers. Now again, I'm not going to get too much into this, because that's a huge topic, and many people are just learning this, teaching this, and so on. You can find out more about this on your own, and it takes time to learn YouTube as well. However, if you do learn it, then it's just amazing, and it just, again, on YouTube, the best thing about YouTube is that when you record the video, it stays there for years to come. So you will get, the benefits from that video, from that one video that you've recorded, for the next, I don't know how many years, because it just stays there, and it just gets stronger and stronger by the time you get used to this. So just go ahead and record those videos. It's the best way. Honestly, trust me, I'm doing these videos as well, and it's just amazing, And so with YouTube, again, all about consistency. You gotta build your YouTube channel, and it again takes time, because it's a free method. If you want, you can invest something into it, of course, but it's not really that much necessary. You can do it completely for free, but again, it will take more and more time to build out your YouTube channel. Now, with the next social medias that are there is Instagram and other social medias. So with Instagram, it's again about posts. So you gotta create some kind of an account for that specific niche or category you are involved in. And it's all about hashtags on Instagram. So you gotta find out, a hashtag that is really popular, that brings engagement into it. And the best way how to do it is to find some kind of account on Facebook for that particular hashtag, and that you gotta just think about this, think about the topic, think about the niche you are in, and just find out for some kind of an ideas directly on Instagram. Then find out some account that is involved in this niche, and check them out. Check those hashtags that they are using, and again, browse through this. And if you find an account that is not really huge, doesn't really have, I don't know, let's say millions of followers, but has a couple thousand maybe followers, then that's your perfect goal. That's your perfect shot to go for, because he is doing, obviously, a couple thousand followers is not that much on Instagram, so you got a chance to get your post as well involved in those hashtags, right? And so just go ahead, find that kind of an account, and a little bit model what they are doing, because it obviously works, and you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You gotta just use it. So just model them, and usually it's basically like a post with a picture, a photo, let's say some kind of a value. Again, it's all about the value, giving some kind of information, giving some kind of solution, tips, tricks, whatever it is, and use the hashtags that are in. And basically the way how you get your link in front of the customers is that you put the link in your bio, in the description of your account, and that's how people are going to get involved into it. They will see your post, they will follow you, and they will get to your description. Again, it takes time to build that kind of an account, because obviously it will, it takes slowly, you will get exposure, you will get engagement. However, if you persist with it, you will get the results. And now, obviously, as you can see, it takes some time to develop each of these categories, and that's why I love this kind of a method that I like to call a combination of time and money involved into your business, which basically in practice means that you use the free methods of either Facebook, either YouTube, either Instagram, whatever it is. However, you invest some kind of money into this. I hope you got the idea or the point that I'm making. You use YouTube, right, for example, and you invest some kind of money into some kind of promotion or some kind of advertisements and so on. You don't need to splash all of your money at one go, but use them strategically on each of the most important things, most important parts of that kind of business model, right? And so in that way you will get the results even faster, and you will get the engagement more faster, better, and you will just see the results faster on your bank account as well. And it's very important to use the money strategically, because as you probably know, you can just with advertisements, and especially with Facebook ads, your money can just go very, very fast away if you don't pay attention to where you're going to spend them. So just use them strategically and focus on the long-term methods. Obviously, you can go for Facebook ads, for example, on Facebook. However, it all depends only on the Facebook. It's just one strategy, right? And if anything goes wrong with Facebook ads, it's very, very common that your Facebook account is Facebook ads account is just blocked without any reason. Then you are just again left with nothing to do. So focus on those long terms, but combine those money and invest some kind of a little money into it. It doesn't need to be huge, but the purpose of it is to get the results faster. However, what it does, even in an indirect way, is that it shows that you are committed to your goal. It shows that you are serious about your affiliate business, and you will be more serious, more persistent in this business, just by investing into that money. Because if it is just for free, then you will see that, oh, it doesn't work, I don't see any results, I'm just going to quit it. However, if you invest some money, then it shows that you are committed, that okay, I want this and this is how I'm going to do it, and I'm willing to invest some kind of money also into it, and this is how you will succeed. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you got lots of value from it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this, and give me thumbs up if you liked it. If you're not a subscriber of my channel, then just go ahead and subscribe. It's the red subscribe button down there. And listen, if you are interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to know these kind of strategies, how to implement, how to really promote CLICKBANK products so you get head and shoulders above the competition, then I highly encourage you to click the link in the description, the first link, and you will get full access to my 4-day free video series where I teach you each day something new about affiliate marketing, how to implement the strategies that sell, and how to get those sales in your business. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.